that every one of us as Christians, we see it as a point of duty to enter the Holy of Holies day by day in the name of Jesus. That is where God dwells. That is where His glory dwells. That is where His presence dwells. And the flesh of Jesus has been broken for us so that we can now enter. So that we can now enter the Holy of Holies at will without any resulting problem. May God continue to help us in the name of Jesus. May God continue to help us in the name of Jesus. So that flesh of Jesus is the new day. God is saying, no more incense smoke, no more cloud, no more blood of bulls and animals. You can now come in direct to behold my presence, to behold my glory, to fellowship with me, and for me as God to fellowship with you, to solve your problems also, to build you up in faith, so that you will now dislike what I dislike, sin, and love what I love, holiness. I pray that that shall be our portion in the name of God. That's why revival is key. It may happen. Whether you believe me or you don't, it must happen. It must happen because it is an impetus to glorification. The latter day must fall. And I believe it strongly that it is very, very imminent. So shall it be in the name of Jesus. And I want to quickly run through how will glorification happen? How will it happen? How will glorification happen? 4 steps, which I will run very quickly. The first step that allows for glorification to happen is this